Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can connect Instagram to Facebook. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes, write comments under the video. And let's get you and me started. And in order to connect your Instagram to Facebook, basically you can do this with both Instagram and Facebook. I'm going to show you how you can do it from Facebook. To do that, open up this application and then go to the menu section. Then at the top, click on the gear and here you will need to go to the Meta Account Center. Then click on Profiles and if you have Facebook account hasn't been added here yet, let's say, then you can click on Add Account and add either a Facebook account here or an Instagram account here. Once you've added them, go to your main Facebook page and then click on this bottom option here. And here you will see the option to synchronize profiles. Click on that. And then select which profiles you would like to synchronize with each other. Your Facebook account, which you have already selected, and also which of your Instagram pages if you have more than one. Next, continue. And now, as you can see, you can click Synchronize Profile Information one more time to confirm your action. After that, you will have these profiles synchronized with each other. And when you go to the profiles, right here you'll see that it says, for example, it'll be your name and underneath it Facebook and Instagram in one line, which will say that you've connected both of them together in one Meta Account Center. That's the way to connect Instagram to Facebook, friends. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Friends, please put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.